For this graph, A, determine whether the graph represents a function, and B, if so, determine the domain and the range of the function. So what you'll notice is, here's the graph of the function. If we were to draw vertical lines, you would see that it passes the vertical line test, which is to say, no vertical line intersects the graph at more than one place. And so therefore, yes, this is a function. So for part A, yes. What about part B then? We have to find the domain and the range. Remember, the arrows indicate that the graph continues in that direction forever and in this direction forever. And therefore, it spans the entire x-axis. And therefore, for part B, the domain is the set of all real numbers which we can write with the real number symbol. What about the range? Well, the range is the y values, and we'll notice that the smallest y value occurs here at the point 2, 1. That is 1 on the y-axis. And then what happens is it continues up to infinity. And therefore, we can write the range in two ways. We can write it as the set of all y values such that y is greater than or equal to 1. But we can also write it in interval notation, which would be including 1 going through infinity.